What's up everybody, Remington from Impulse Creative, and today is an exciting day. Drift has done really well with their recent updates to their software last month. I was really stoked about some of those, but Meetings 2.0 and Drift for Sales as a suite is going to blow your mind. So there's three areas where Drift for Sales is really taking a major leap, and that is with scheduling, that's with these email sequences, and also the calendaring tool that allows for people to get one-click meetings right out of your email. So today, I'm gonna adjust the tutorial a little bit, talk about these features, but I'm also gonna show you really quick how to get these implemented because they're available in your portal right now. So the first thing you'll notice when you log into your Drift dashboard is you'll see the call to action for Meetings 2.0. You can go through and you can learn more right there, and it'll take you straight to the areas that you need to set up. But the other thing that you're going to see is reporting, and reporting is fantastic for everybody. So you're going to start to be able to see the overall details of who is booking the most meetings, and you'll be able to break into these even further with the new Drift Marketing Report. The Drift Marketing Report is going to allow for you to dig in and understand the number of meetings booked. You're going to be able to see who got those meetings, and you're going to be able to see that over time. And even better, your sales reps are going to be able to check in and actually look at the individual meetings booked, so you can see the individuals that you've got these meetings scheduled with, and you're going to be able to say the date booked and the date of the meeting. So this is a really, really awesome tool. This kind of goes into the reporting, and it's included in your existing Drift account automatically. So then we go to the next tab. The one is the calendaring has gotten a major upgrade. The goal is to limit the number of clicks that is supposed to happen in order to get someone to schedule a meeting. And while the bot is really great for taking people through the process, a lot of times it's not necessary if you just want to give someone a time that works. So there's two areas that this helps. You'll notice in the URL they've got /meeting for your default meeting time. That allows for them to see availability over the entire month, and they literally can click in, choose their time, and provide their email. It's scheduling that easy. The other side is on the email side. So they've got a new widget that has been added into the tool, and you'll see at the bottom here we've got this Drift widget. You can insert your default calendar meeting, or now you've got the option to share individual availability based on the meetings that you have set within Drift, and I've got a tutorial for that right here. You can also enroll from a sequence right here, and so you can click enroll and it'll automatically set someone up in an outbound sequence, which can be really great. Let's talk about the one-click meetings. So if I have my person who I'm sending out a meeting request to, and I know that I want to send some availability, let's say it's a quick little 15-minute meeting. Historically, what you do is you would drop that in and you would say, here, click this link to find a time that works. But now what we're able to do is we're able to literally drop in all the times that are available for that meeting duration that you chose, and now it's right there in the email, one click, and they can assign it and go. This removes so much of that unnecessary flows of getting people to choose which time that works, and this gives them some automatic recommendations on what does work for you as well. So that's the biggest part. And so this works in Gmail, this is or Google Apps. This is fantastic. The other side of it is when we get into the actual Drift meeting settings, and you'll be able to do this by clicking Learn More. There's the opportunity now for the app to handle rescheduling and canceling of meetings as well. So you don't have to get someone to call, you can limit the no-call, no-shows, but it's a setting that's defaulted to off, and you simply just need to click that and turn that to on. And what will happen is someone will get an actual notice saying that if they can't make it or they need to, update their time, the Drift meetings is going to remind them that you have a meeting coming up, but then if they have to reschedule, it'll allow for them to do that and also cancel the meeting. So you don't have to worry about the back and forth, and you can focus on your pipeline and selling more deals. And then the final piece is these multiple meeting types. So if we go back to the meeting section, and I've got that tutorial that I've showed you how to use already, but you can drop in as many meeting types as you want, which can be really great. It's a matter of figuring out what duration that you want overall. So you can go anywhere from a quick 10-minute meeting to connect about an item all the way up to a 60-minute meeting, and you can create whatever URL information you want. Remember, you can put the location information in and the description so that it's automatic, so you don't have to worry about scrambling and changing details. So we're real excited about Meetings 2.0 with Drift. I think you should be too. And if you have any other questions or would like some in-depth tutorials about it, let me know and we'll make it happen. If you like these video series and you'd like to learn more, feel free to check out our other tutorial videos we've done. And if you'd like to subscribe to our channel to be the first to be notified about when a new one drops, go ahead and do that right here. Until next time, keep it real.